So in this design wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add animated stickers in design wizard. So first thing you have to do is open up design wizard and go into the left hand side of your screen and then press on the elements tab. So for me, the elements tab is located right here, this cube icon. Simply just press on elements. Then once you're on this screen, scroll down to where you see animated stickers right here and then simply just press on more. Now what you can either do is search up some animated stickers here in the search bar, or you can just scroll down and view some other stickers that they have within this app. So if you wanted to do this one right here of these boots, for example, we'll just go ahead and press on that. It's now going to take a couple seconds to hopefully load this animated sticker into this design. So once that is done, which should hopefully take a couple seconds longer here, which you will see. I'll just make it a little bit smaller. There you go. You've now added an animated sticker into your design here in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.